assignment in this class is Understanding Educational Terminology. The purpose of this assignment is to search and identify educational terminology. It is important that you don't just use the first definition that you find, but read a few sources and create your own definition of each term. Don't take the first definition, cite it, and call it good. You can also use AI as long as you are using the first draft principles. First draft principles are a starting point for your definition, and then you take the first draft and revise and refine it for proper use in this assignment. After you create a definition of each term in your own words, then you will give an example of those terms' purpose in the planning, instruction, and assessment process. This is what the assignment looks like. For each educational terminology word, you have to do a brief explanation and then tell how the purpose in planning, instruction, and assessment process works. So here's the first example. The term is lesson plans. A lesson plan is a detailed guide created by teachers outlining the objectives, materials, activities, and assessments for a specific lesson. It serves as a roadmap to the lesson. I looked at multiple definitions to create my own definition for this assignment. Then I explained how lesson planning is involved in planning, instruction, and assessment. In the planning process, it's the organization and structure. For instruction, it serves as the guide. And for assessments, it's the strategies to measure the student's understanding. And all three of those things happen within the lesson plan. Part 2 of this assignment is examining two different lesson plans. You're going to take the COE lesson plan template, which is located in the Student Success Center. And if you're not sure how to find that, I have an additional video of how to find the COE lesson plan template. You will be using it a lot throughout your entire program. Then you're going to search for a free lesson plan template or just look for a free lesson plan. Please do not pay for anything. You do not need to do that. And then you're going to look at the differences between the two and look at the differences between the meat of the lesson plan template and not the top where it says, well, this one asks you to write your name and this one does not. That is not important to a lesson plan. So again, look at the heart of the lesson planning, the activities, the materials, the assessments, not the top part where it asks you for minor details.